Welcome and happy holidays, everyone. I'm Roseoatley, and today I'm sharing my Christmas trees and my Christmas decor that I put up this year for 2021. I'm going to get you started with my entrance, where I've got a little bit of garland with a picture frame that says it's the most wonderful time of the year, because yes, indeed it is. It's almost Christmas. I've got this little snowman that I picked up this year from Hobby Lobby. It turns different colors. I thought it was the cutest thing and had to have it. Over on the right side, you'll see my returning Santa. We've had this Santa for quite a few years now. It sings and dances, and it's really cute. We bring him out every year. Over on my front door, where you see all the glare, I've got a Christmas wreath hanging with some white berries. I usually hang a wreath on the inside and outside of my door. I'll try and videotape our random lights that we put outside and post it at the end of the video. Moving into my front living room, on my coffee table, I kept it pretty simple with this glass Christmas tree. I believe I got this last year at Hobby Lobby. It's battery operated and has snow at the bottom. This year, I bought a new flock tree from Lowe's. If you recall last year, I mentioned wanting to decorate my tree blue to kind of go with the rest of my decor, and that is what I did. I used blues, golds, whites, silvers, and clear. Now, I love using picks, so you'll see these throughout my tree. Also, if you're looking for a Christmas tree tutorial, be sure and check out my channel. I've got a tutorial in there from 1 or 2 years ago that will show you how to place your ribbon, how to use picks, and all the basics you need. Let's move on to my dining room. For my buffet table, I'm keeping it simple with just some trees and candles. To make my napkins look a little more full, I have doubled up on them. I've got a white solid napkin on the bottom and then a silver Christmas one on top. I'm using a crystal snowflake ring and added a few berries for a little pop of color. Now, these little tree name cards I picked up from Hobby Lobby. I thought they were really cute and made a nice addition to my table. I wanted to keep my dining room neutral and classy, but I did add some reds and greens for a little pop of color. My centerpiece consists of 3 trees, which I bought at the at-home store. Now, these little 2 gifts on each side that you see are actually ornaments, and I honestly can't remember where I bought those, but I just placed them in there, and then they're surrounded by candles. Real quick, I want you to meet our newest addition to the family, Bella. She's a golden retriever, a little over 7 weeks old, and a sweetheart. We'll move on to my family room, where I spend most of my time watching TV. And this is also where I have my second Christmas tree. I'll show you in just a bit. In my tray here, I pretty much kept it the way I do year round, except for the beads and the red candle. I added those for a little pop of red color. My garland is from the home store. I originally bought it plain, and over the years, I hot glued some ornaments and pine cones, and this year I added extra berries in there. My fireplace decor is from the at-home store in Hobby Lobby. Now, this wreath I usually have hanging year-round. I just added some berries, the poinsettia, and that little house in the center is actually a Christmas ornament I just stuck in there. My second tree is a skinny flock tree from Walmart. It was reasonably priced and I bought this last year. I have been wanting a flock tree for quite some time and I finally got one. Now I can't remember the price exactly, but I thought it was really reasonable. Now, one thing I will tell you though, if you've never owned a flock tree, is that they are pretty messy. So you'll notice I've got a white skirt at the bottom and that actually catches a lot of my snow. Now I feel that they're absolutely gorgeous, so I'm willing to deal with a mess. Now in this tree, I went ahead and used a lot of red, which is actually my favorite color. Over by my TV, I kept it pretty simple, just added a little bit of garland, a couple small trees, and some candles. Let's go into my kitchen. Now, this is a room that I wish I would have had more time to spend on. This month has just been super crazy busy, and now the holidays, oh my gosh, I can't believe they've come this quick, and I'm sure a lot of you can relate. All right, so here on my island, I just have a little bit of decor, a little arrangement, a tree, and a candle. Now, normally, I keep my hot chocolate bar on my other longer counter, but this year I went ahead and placed it here. I do wish I could have spread it out a little bit more and maybe adjusted some of my decor, but I think for this year it will do, and next year I'll spend a little more time on it. Here I've got my third Christmas tree, which I call my keepsake tree. We love to add all of our kids' ornaments that they made us when they were a lot younger. And I also like to add ornaments that were given to us by family and friends that are sentimental to us. Also, whenever my nieces and nephews send us pictures, I like to add them in there whenever possible. Now I do add random ornaments and pics just to balance everything out. Now, before it gets windier, I'll take you outside and show you our few and random lights we put out this year for a little bit of holiday spirit. I want to thank all of my subscribers and viewers for your support throughout the year. I want to wish everyone a happy and safe holiday season. Merry Christmas, everyone.